Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So we are continuing polynomials class 10. So today we learn how to divide a polynomial with another polynomial. You must have learned in class 8. Still we'll go on revision, we'll find and learn more. And we'll also solve the question from exercise 2.3 class 10 Ncert. Now we know division algorithm that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, where remainder is sometimes 0 when it is divisible, or remainder is less than divisor. Then we stop the division. So divisor is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. For example, here 15 is equal to 3. 4 multiplies 3 plus 3. That means if we divide 15 with 4, we get 4 3 times 12. 3 is the remainder. So 3 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder, and R 4 is your divisor. And 15 we say dividend. So this remainder is either sometimes it is 0 when it is divisible, or it should be less than this. Then we stop the division. So now coming to polynomial. Here also the division algorithm states that given any polynomial p of x and any non-zero polynomial gx, which is divisor, they are polynomials qx, which is quotient, and rx, which is the remainder. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder, this is also a polynomial. Either it is 0 or the degree of the polynomial remainder is less than degree of the divisor. I hope you have understood the concept. Then we'll go for the question. This is the first question. Divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder for the followings. So px is equal to, that means this is your dividend, this is your divisor. So x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 division, the divisor is x square minus 2. First you should keep in mind that they will be written according to descending order of the power. For example, here 3, then here 2, then 1, then 0. Here also first you will write x square, you won't write 2 minus x square. Next, coming to division. How we do? First we take the first term of the divisor and first term of the dividend. First term of the dividend is x cube. First term of the divisor is x square. Now you will think of what should be multiplied here so that I'll get your x cube. Certainly it will be x, because x square multiplies x gives you x power 3. So first the term of the quotient polynomial will be x. X square multiplies x, I'll get x cube. Next, whenever I thought of that it will be x, what should I do next? Next, I'll write the divisor and I'll multiply this quotient in all the terms. You can write, you can multiply, or mentally you can multiply. So x into x square gives you x cube. For that we have thought of x, and this x is now will be multiplied other terms also. So x into minus 2 gives you minus 2x. So whenever I'll multiply x square minus 2 with x, I'll get x cube minus 2x. So next I'll write this expression below the dividend. But while writing, I will observe that these similar terms should be written below one below other. For example, X's cube will write here, but when I'll write minus 2x, I won't write here. I'll write below your 5x because they are similar term, like terms. So this one step is now complete. After writing, then what I'll do, I'll subtract. When we subtract, we know that the sign of the lower one is changed. So x's cube will be negative and 2x will be positive. Then I'll go for 1 by 1 subtraction. So x's cube minus x's cube will be cancelled or it is 0. That's why we had written or we had taken x. Now coming to minus 3x square, there is no term below it. So it will be brought down as it is. Next, you will simplify this one, 5x plus 2x. Now the sign will be taken plus, not minus. Plus 2x plus 7 to 5x, it will give you 7x. And minus 3 will come as it is. So one step is clear. Now coming to, again you will go for first term and first term. And think what should be multiplied. What should be multiplied in x square to get your minus 3x square. So certainly it will be only minus 3 because the powers are same. So minus 3 into x square gives me minus 3x square. So next term of the quotient polynomial is equal to minus 3. And whenever I'll write minus 3, I'll multiply minus 3 in all the terms of the divisor. So I'll multiply, I'll get minus 3x square, and minus 3 multiply with minus 2, I'll get plus 6. Then I'll write these two terms below the remainder what I got in the last step. So it will be minus 3x square and you are getting plus 6. No x is there, so x will be left, this place will be left blank. I'll go for plus 6 here. Now again, subtraction. So how to subtract? This will become positive, this will become negative. Okay. So what will be your remainder now? Minus 3x square will be cancelled. It will become plus 7x will remain. Then minus 3 minus 6, it will be minus 9. Now what should be done next? No further division. Why? I am getting this degree of the remainder is less than your degree of the divisor. Here degree is 2, here degree is 1. So I'll stop division. Now I'll write what is quotient, what is your remainder. So what is quotient? Quotient polynomial is your x minus 3 and remainder polynomial is 7x minus 9. So you'll write the answer, then you will get the marks. So it is your, I'll write qx is your quotient is equal to x minus 3, rx is the remainder is equal to 7x minus 9. So this is your answer. Now coming to second one. Second one is dividend is equal to x4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and this divisor is equal to x square plus 1 minus x. So I'll write x to be 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 division. How to write this? This I'll write x square minus x plus 1. I'll write according to the degree. 2, then 1, then 0. So x square minus x plus 1. Then what the next? Next we'll take the first term of the divisor, first term of the dividend. So x square, what should be multiplied to get x to the power 4? So certainly it will be xs square. So I'll multiply xs square. So when I'll multiply xs square, as I told, I'll multiply xs square in each term of the divisor. That should not be forgotten. So it will be x to the 4. X into xs square, it will be xs cube, and there is a negative sign. And xs square into 1 will be plus xs square. The whole three terms I'll write here, and below the similar terms. So here I'll write x to the power 4 below x to the power 4. Now you see there is no xs cube term in the divisor. So I'll make a place here for it. Minus xs cube. Let me rub it and write very nicely. So minus xs cube and plus xs square I'll write below xs square. Then your subtraction. So xs 4 minus x to the 4, there will be cancelled. This sign will be positive. This sign will be negative. Now there is no xs cube terms in the above expression. So xs cube has changed to sign positive. So positive xs cube. Xs cube is written first. Then I'll simplify minus 3x square minus x square because it has changed the sign. Why it has changed the sign? We are subtracting. So minus 4x square minus 3 minus 1 minus 4x square 4x plus 5. What next? Next again go for the first term and the first term. So x square, I need x cube. What should be multiplied? 1x will be multiplied. So I'll write plus x. Then what to do? X square minus x plus 1. The whole thing I'll multiply x in each term. So it will be x cube. And second will be x square. Third will be plus x. So I'll write x cube minus x square plus x. Again you subtract. When you will subtract, you will change the sign. So x cube will be negative. This will be positive. X will be again negative. So these two will be cancelled. Now minus 4x square plus x square. So this will be minus 3x square. Next plus 4x minus x. So it will be plus 3x plus 5. I hope you are understanding. Now think of what will the next step. Next step will be again, I have got x square. I need minus 3x square. What should I multiply? So certainly it will be only minus 3 because square are there, no need of x. Minus 3. So I'll write minus 3 here. So minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus 3 into minus x. It will be plus 3x. Then minus 3 into plus 1. It will be minus 3. That means what I did x square minus x plus 1. I multiply minus 3 in all the term. So minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. Now subtraction. This will change to positive. This 2 will be cancelled. This will be changed to negative. 3x cancel. This will be changed to positive. So 8 is the remainder. So next part is to write the answers. So what is your qx? So qx is equal to x square plus x minus 3 and remainder polynomial is 8. Part 3. X to the power 4 minus 5x plus 6. I'm dividing with, how to write this? I'll write minus x square plus 2. Otherwise it will be a mistake. So minus x square plus 2. Then divide minus x square into what? I'll get x to the power 4. So certainly another negative will be there. Another x power 2 will be there. So that you will become 4. So it will be minus x to the power 2. Next, I'll be very careful to multiply minus x square in all the terms. So it will be x to the power 4. It will be minus 2x square. So x to the power 4, and there is no 2x square in the above expression. So I'll make a place for 2x square before x. Then subtraction. This is negative. This will be positive. This 2 will be cancelled. So first I'll write x square terms. Then I'll go for x terms. Then your plus 6. And this 2 will become as it is. Next, think of x minus x square plus 2. What should be? I'll multiplying to get 2x square. So certainly it will be minus 2. Minus 2 into minus x square, it will be how much? Plus. So minus x square minus 2. So this will be 2x square. Then minus 2 into plus 2, it will be minus 4. So subtraction, this 2 will be cancelled. You are getting minus 5x plus 10. Shall I do more? Shall I carry on? No, because minus 5x has degree less than your x square. So I'll stop here. Then I'll write the answer. Qx is equal to minus x square minus 2, and Rx is equal to minus 5x plus 10. Next is question number 2. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial or not. How to check? If remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, then it is a factor. So first I am writing the dividend. 2t to the power 4 plus 3t square cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12 divided by t square minus 3. So first I am putting 2, 2 is not there, and another 2 power 2. So that I'll get 2 power 4. So 2 to the power 4. Next, minus 3 minus 2t square. Minus 3 multiplies 2t square. I'll get minus 6t square. And I'll write this below t square terms. So this will be 6t square here. Then subtraction. This will be negative. This sign will also negative. This will be cancelled. This will be brought down. So 3t cube. This will be minus 2t square minus 6t square. That will be how much? It was minus. Oh, sorry. It was minus. No, it is minus. Not plus. It will become plus. I am writing again. Very sorry. It will be t square. This will be minus 60 square. So minus 60 square. Now when you will change the sign, this will be positive. So these two are cancelled. 3t cube, it will be brought down. Here it will be your plus 4t square minus 9t minus 11, 12. Next I'll come for t square is there. I need 3t cube. So I need 3t. So next term will be plus 3t. 3t cube. 3t minus 3. 3t minus into minus 3. Minus 90. So minus 90 will be written here. Next subtraction. So this will be positive sign. Cancel. 4t square will come down. Minus 90 plus 90, I'll cancel. Minus 12. Then again you go for t square. We need 4 2 square, so I'll get a 4. So it will be 4t square. At the same time, 4 will be multiplied with minus 3. So minus 12. Then subtraction, sign change. So you are getting 0. So whenever getting 0, you will write yes, first polynomial Rx is 0. So first polynomial is factor of second polynomial. Next, here this is the dividend, this is the your divisor. So 3x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 divided by x square plus 3x plus 1. I'm writing in the middle 3x to the 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 whole divided by x square plus 3x plus 1. So first, what should I multiply? I'll multiply 3x square. I'm writing the steps because this is a bigger one. First, I'm multiplying x square, 3x square. So I'll get 3x to the power 4, 3x square. And when these two will be multiplied, I'll get 9x cube. And when these two will be multiplied, I'll get 3x square. So 3x to the power 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. Subtraction. Negative, negative, negative. Cancel. This will be minus 4x cube. This will be minus 3x square. Minus 7 minus 3 minus 10x square plus 2x your plus 2. Then I'll go for minus 4x. So it will be minus 4x cube. Here it will be how much? Minus 12x square. Next I'll go for minus 4x square plus minus 4x. Then your subtraction. These two will be cancelled. So I'm getting, this is a plus, so 2x square. This will be plus 6x plus 2. So now I need a 2 only. See, I need only 2. So plus 2. So it will be 2x square, 2 into 3x, 6x plus 2. So minus, 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 we are getting a 0. So here also, first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial. Third, x to the power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. Division x cube minus 3x plus 1. First I'll go for x square because I need x to the 5, and when I'll go for x square I'll need to multiply x square in all the terms. It will be x5. This multiply I'll get minus 3x cube plus x square. So minus 3x cube plus x square. Then again subtraction, sign change, this will be cancelled, and your x square is cancelled. So you are getting minus x cube plus 3x plus 1. Next I'll multiply only with minus x. X cube minus 3x plus 1. I'll multiply with x. Very sorry, not x, only we need 1. We need only 1, not x. Because x is already there, minus 1. So when minus 1 multiply, I'll get minus x cube plus 3x minus 1. So minus x cube plus 3x minus 1. Will all get 0? No. Here I'll get 2 is the remainder. So what will be my answer? So first polynomial is not a factor of. Second, why? As Rx is not equal to 0. Rx is 2. Question number 3. Question number 3 is an important question. Obtain all other zeros of 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Two zeros are given to us. So it is a polynomial of degree 4. When it has degree 4, it has 4 zeros. So we have only 2 zeros. So we need 2 more zeros. Now how to proceed? I'll write if root 5 by 3 is a 0, then x minus root 5 by 3 is a factor of px, which is given. In the same way, minus root 5 by 3 is a 0. So x plus root 5 by 3 is a factor. Now coming to algebra, if 5 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 5 is factor of something, 3 is a factor of something, then 15 is also a factor. So we'll combine these two. That means if x minus under root 5 by 3 is a factor of the polynomial, x plus under root 5 by 3 is a factor of polynomial, then x minus under root 5 by 3 into x plus under root 5 by 3 is a factor of polynomial. Now I'll multiply these two. As I multiply 5 into 3, 15. Suppose 5 is a factor of 45, 3 is a factor of 45, then certainly 15 is a factor of 45. Same thing here. First is a factor, second is a factor, their product is a factor. Now I am multiplying this using your a plus b into a minus b. What's it? You know it is special identities. a square minus b square. So x square is x square and minus this will be 5 by 3. Root will be abolished because root 5 by 3 again square, it will be just 5 by 3 is a factor. Or I am not keeping in a rational form, I'll write this implies that 3x square minus 5 is a factor. So this is a very important milestone here. That means you have to write the factor in this form. So all the irrational part I converted to this one. This is a factor. When this is a factor, then I can find the other factor. How to do it? By dividing. So what I'll do now, I'll divide your 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 with your 3x square minus 5. Then I'll get a quadratic polynomial which will have two factors or two zeros. So first what I'll get? I'll get your 3, I'll get only x square. So it will be 3x to the power 4 minus 5x square, no x cube term, subtraction, this will be cancelled, 6x cube, this sign will be positive, plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Then I'll go for 3x, 6x cube, 3x into, sorry, it will be 2. Achha, okay, I'm doing again this. I'm doing the division clearly. So I got the factor 3x square minus 5. I'm dividing is a factor. I'm dividing it 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. I'm dividing with 3x square minus 5. So you can now guess that it is a very it is a lengthy question. It will be of 5 marks. So it will be x square 3x to the power 4 minus 5x square. Subtraction, it will be 6x cube, it will be plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Then I'll go for plus 2x. So 6x cube minus 10x. Then subtraction, it will be 3x square minus 5. Then I'll go for 1. So 1 3x square minus 5. So remainder is 0. So we'll write other factor is x square plus 2x plus 1. So I'll split the middle term or I'll solve it by any method. This is equal to 0. X square plus x plus 1 is 0. Since it is a quadratic polynomial, it has two zeros. So I am getting by splitting the middle term. You can make it whole square also. X plus 1 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 multiplies x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you are getting the value as x equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1. So other zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. Now on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by gx, px dividing by gx, we get qx plus rx. Here what is given? Rx is given your Rx is equal to x minus 2. No, quotient is x minus 2 and Rx is equal to minus 2x plus 4. You have to find the divisor. What will the divisor? So what I'll do, first I'll get your px minus rx. So divisor is equal to, I'm writing here, divisor is equal to, dividend minus remainder whole division your quotient. So similarly here your gx is equal to px minus rx, after subtraction will divide with your qx. So px is x cube minus 3x square plus x minus plus 2. I'll subtract your remainder. It will be minus 2x plus 4. Then it will be how much? X cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus x plus 3x minus 4. Then I'll divide this with your quotient. What is the quotient? Quotient is x minus 2. So first I'll take x square, x cube minus 2x square, then subtraction, it will be minus x square plus 3x minus 4. Then I'll go for minus x square plus 2x I made some mistake here. It will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Then it will be how much? X minus 2. Then I'll go for plus 1. So I'll get x minus 2 below. X minus 2. So remainder is 0. So this will be your divisor. So gx is equal to x square minus x plus 1. हमने गलत कर दिया था थोड़ा, प्लस 2x होगा और 4 माइनस होगा, प्लस 2 माइनस 4, ये माइनस 2. मैंने थोड़ा जल्दीबाजी कर दिया इसलिए गलत हो गया. जल्दीबाजी नहीं करना है क्योंकि ये स्पोर्ट्स नहीं है, करेक्ट आंसर पाना है. Next is question number 4, we have finished. Okay. Next is question number 5. Give the examples of the polynomial px, qx, gx, qx, rx which satisfy the division algorithm. Your degree of px is same as your degree of qx. So I am taking your px is equal to x plus 3, 4x plus 3, and I am dividing as your 4. Then now what I'll get? I'll get x. This will be 4x. Then your 3 is the remainder. So degree of px is your 1. Degree of qx is also 1. So this is an example. So what I'll write the whole thing. Px is equal to 4x plus 3, gx is equal to 4, then qx is equal to your x. Now coming to second one, degree of qx, degree of quotient is same as degree of your remainder. So I can write x square plus 1 dividing with your x square